everybody, it's me, Steph Foxy, and today we're going to be building a computer desk. Got this off of Amazon during their cyber, some type of sale this year, whenever that was. So, finally got some room, so we're going to put that together, and it's going to be a long process, so hang tight, okay? I hope this is worth it. So, join me in making a computer desk. Alright? Okay. So here's basically everything for it. This is what it's supposed to look like. As you can tell, it's already getting hot. So, this might take a while, but hopefully you enjoy the trip that we're about to go on. Okay? And don't worry, I know I'm sunburnt. Yeah, see, I know. It's red. Yeah, long, hot weekend, so bear with me. I want this to be amazing. So, be back. Love y'all. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed all that. Forgot my ears. Okay, much better. Yeah. Okay, so took a while because I had some parts that needed to be switched around. That was a pain. But we went from starting with this to this. And ooh, it's red. Ooh. Cool. Look how cool that is. Oh. Yeah. Get some music going. Heck yeah. I'm loving it. So, I'm gonna go. I definitely need a shower now. Yeah. Yeah, this was a workout. So, thank you for watching, and if you like, please press the like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps. It definitely helps me. So, yeah. Gotta go. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay? Love y'all. Stay safe. Bye.